Listen, man, we can't have you losing money trying to promote stuff with Google and affiliate products or your own product, your service, or whatever it may be. You need to stop losing money. And it's something very simple to help you capture all of the lost leads, all of the money that you left on the table. There's something very simple for you to use in order to captivate and optimize on those leads, all right, so that you can turn it into money. What is it? In order to find out, stay tuned. All right, y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use something that is known as link tracking. Link tracking, if you're going to be using Google Ads, is extremely important. This is what takes the average marketer into the expert almost instantaneously. This is what takes your profits from zero and in the red into the black, the profits, all right? This is what makes those who are doing okay in affiliate marketing and with their products and ads and all that stuff into super affiliates, making 6 figures per month. This is very simple, all right? So I need you to hang in there with me because this is going to be part of a 3-part series that I'm making for you. The first one, this video is going to be using Google Ads and link tracking with a landing page. So those of you who are doing direct linking or whatever the case may be, if we're using Google Ads, if you're watching this video for Google Ads, you're going to be using a landing page. In video number 2, we're going to be using capture pages, tracking those leads that go from the landing page to the thank you page or the sales page or whatever the case may be. And then the third video, we are going to build these campaigns with our link tracking so that we can see the data, so that you can actually see how all this stuff comes together and produces beautiful results. So if you haven't already, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. I'd love to see your comments down below, and that would be phenomenal so that we could interact. I do very well when people ask me questions and stuff. That's my thing. I'm not a rambler. I'm not a lecturer. So let's do this. First thing that we need is we need a landing page software. I use Clickfunnels. It is the easiest by far for me to use. It also handles a lot of other things that I try to do. I have multiple business. I have a photo booth business. I have, YouTube courses and all that. I build everything inside of Clickfunnels. All right. My computer is right here. That's why I'm going like this. And in this case, I'm going to leave a link down below if you're interested, either getting a free trial or just getting a phenomenal deal if you already use ClickFunnels. All right, save over $200 to $1,000 with my link down below. We have ClickFunnels. I'm just going to preview the page so that you can see what we're doing. This right here is a simple landing page for a free course of mine. I used to charge $37 per month on this, but I'm giving away for free right now for a limited time. I really don't know how long I'm going to do this, but this is a landing page with a button. As you see, if you click the button, it is not going to go to another page in my funnel. It used to go to my sales page. Now we are going to set it up so that it can go straight to an affiliate offer from Clickbank. All right, so that's the second thing you need. You need an offer. I'm using Clickbank. I've already found my offer. I got the affiliate link here. If I come over here, you can select any type of offer. I'm not getting into how to select offers and all of that stuff in this video. I have plenty of other videos for that. This particular one is a health and fitness product, and I believe you get 50 or 75% of the commissions whenever you sell one of these. All right, and we are going to go to ClickMagick. ClickMagick is what we are using to build these campaigns. ClickMagick is what helps us track the keywords if you're using Google Ads or Bing Ads. It's what helps us track the devices and all of that other stuff. So when you're using your Google Ads, you will be able to narrow down what is working, the when, the where, the why, And then you will be able to create campaigns specifically of only those things that are converting. You will know on what pages it's converting. That is why it is essential, because you take your Google Ads to the next level, because Google Ads itself cannot track these things, and it cuts down your efforts and it cuts down on the ad spend immensely. You go straight to profit very quickly if you do this correctly. Now, the first thing we need to do is create come over here to website code, and every website needs a code. So regardless of whatever you're using, whether it's Clickfunnels, whether it is WordPress, whether it's Wix.com, you are going to come here, website code wizard, next, and it's going to give you some code. And what we're going to do here is copy all of this. Bang, I hit copy. And then we go back to our website. And I like to drop the code inside of the header of the website. Tracking code, I hit settings and tracking code. I have a ton of tracking code on this website. And bang, I just pasted that code in there. What that does is whenever somebody comes on my website, ClickMagick's code is now enacted, and it says, somebody hit the website. Now let's go to work. Let's start tracking this individual's movements. So now that is step one. Let's go back over to ClickMagick and hit next. And this is the opportunity where if we are tracking conversions, emails, anything that sells, anything that involves going to another page, checkout, anything like that, you can right here. All right, you have something where you can track what's called an action. You can track something called sales or an engagement. And the only difference is this little letter here. You can see the letter A that I just accidentally, I highlighted the apostrophe, but you can see the letter A there. Engagement typically is if somebody clicks a button or maybe they go to another page, right? Because you don't want every single page in your funnel to be considered an action. You even change the A to an S, and then you give a dollar amount, which equals a sell. So if we go here and we say $70, your product's worth $70, you can do that, right? And you would take that code and put it on your thank you page. However, we're not doing any of that today because we are only tracking the code, our landing page. And when people click the button to our affiliate link, we want to track that sell. If you guys understand where I'm coming from right now, down below in the comments, go ahead and drop I understand. If you don't, say I don't understand. We can follow up, we can talk, we can engage inside of the comments. On our page here, now here on this button, we need to put our affiliate link of our product that we are selling on the button so that when it's clicked, somebody goes to purchase the product, we are able to see the sell transaction happen. Okay, so how do we do that? First, we need to come over to tools again, go to affiliate tools within ClickMagick, click affiliate link builder. And then when you click network, we are going to select Clickfunnels, Clickbank, too many click words. Clickbank as an affiliate. This tutorial is for any other type of ad network, all right? Once you get this down, watch this a few times, you will know how to do this any other time. All right, so then we come back over. I'm going to hit promote within Clickbank, and you created an affiliate link. It's super long, it's okay. This is just what Clickbank says. This is the link for this product, and Antonio was the one who created it. So let's begin to track it. If the sale happens, we're going to track that commission to Antonio. We are then going to put that affiliate link here. But hold on, we're missing a step. Because if I was to do only that, if they purchase the product, you will only be able to see the sale in Clickbank. Why? Because we have not added link tracking to our affiliate product. Let's go back over here to ClickMagick and paste that same affiliate code in here. We're going to hit update affiliate link, and it gives us another code which we're going to copy. And so if you see here, this whole TID equals blah, 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 all this is saying is, hey, here's your affiliate link that you got from Clickbank. We're going to add some extra sauce to it. We're going to add some extra parameters, some extra code. So now when somebody clicks on it, ClickMagick generates a tracking code, which we are going to see. And then it is able to talk to Clickbank. So now Clickbank and ClickMagick are talking to each other. And whenever a sale is generated, copy, we will be able to see everything in here, right? Because now the sale transacted in Clickbank will be able to be seen within all these graphs and the numbers and the sales and all that stuff. And that's why it is done this way. So if you still don't understand, let's go ahead. Boom. I just put the link on the button. It's really that simple. This is why I love Clickfunnels. Again, my affiliate link is down below. I give some awesome bonuses. Now, here's how the page looks. I should be able to click this button and it should take me to the affiliate link, which it did. Phenomenal. If I hit order now and select one of these bad boys, I hit buy now. Somebody loves the landing page. They get 3 bottles and a free book. $177 is what they're going to pay. I believe that we get probably 50%, 75% commission. Now, look at that. Here at the bottom, guys, where you see affiliate, you see the same affiliate link that was tracked. And this is because of the ClickMagick link code. All right, so now if we go back to ClickMagick, we should be able to see somebody clicking on it. Oh, I left out one very important part. So since we created that, we have to come back over to URL Builder. And I have to input the actual URL of the landing page. This could be your website. This could be whatever. Boom. Come back here. We're going to say Google Ads because we are going to add this to Google Ads later. I'm going to say CPC. And we are going to call this test campaign. And we're just going to hit save and copy. We can add some of these other terms, but I'm not going to do that in this video. I want to keep things simple. Save and copy. And now we're going to take that code. And if I click it again, boom. Now up here, you can see added on top of the URL, you see all of the extra stuff that we just added, right? Because the code is telling ClickMagick what is happening. And now if we come back to campaigns, you see one visitor. And we click the information, we hit this letter I, and you can see where the click is coming from. Now, if we were doing Google Ads under term, I like to track by keywords. You would see what keyword drove that click. So this is video number 1. All right, we will do almost the same exact thing in video number 2 for a capture page, so that you know how to track people who go from the landing page to the thank you page or your sales page or whatever the case may be, the checkout page. It's all pretty much the same, but just a little bit more different. You have one more piece of code to add. Remember, this is really good for affiliate marketing. Those of you who are trying to use Google PPC, Google Ads, Bing Ads, to any product from Google Ads, Nexus, Digistore 24, whatever it is, this all works the same way. Okay, so watch this video a few times, all right, and you will be able to be a master at this. Now, the same thing that you saw me run traffic to, or that you saw me set up, will be the same thing that I'm offering to you for free. So go ahead at antonioxcarter.com/AFM hacks, and you should be able to get a copy of that free training. It's a video course. I put tons of energy into it. It's probably overboard. You'll have videos to watch for a very long time to learn about affiliate marketing, making money online. All right. So again, if you liked what I showed you, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop me some comments below, show me some love. If you have any questions, just ask me. I'm good at responding. Jump inside my Facebook group with me. I'd love to see you guys. I got plenty of free things, other free courses and stuff down below if you're looking to make $3,500 a week per week with Google Ads and Bing Ads and Clickbank. If that's your jam, you can go over down below inside of my description of the video. And I've learned pretty much everything I learned from a guy named Yvonne Manna. I've spoke with him personally many times. Phenomenal guy, has the results to prove what he teaches. And so go ahead, click that. I highly recommend you go ahead and get in that course. And last but not least, my #1 recommended source to get started in affiliate marketing, especially if you don't have any money to spend when it comes to advertising and stuff. All right, that link is down below. I'm providing 6 weeks of free coaching with this particular resource. If you guys want 6 weeks of free coaching from me, go ahead and click that link down below as well. All right, peace.